Welcome to another episode of Makeup for Brown Skin, and this episode is going to tell you how to highlight for brown skin and what type of highlighters you should choose, which colors you should choose, and all that. So let's get into it. So firstly, you need to start with a very well prepped skin, which means you need to moisturize your face and you need to apply a primer. So I have already moisturized my face and I have primed it as well. Now, why you need these both are because moisturizer is so that your skin can get the required hydration that it needs, and then primer on top will make sure that it makes your face like a smooth canvas so that makeup can go on smoothly and does not get stuck in any like fine lines or things like that. So this all will ensure that the highlighter blends smoothly and does not put any emphasis on your dryness. Secondly, you need to apply your foundation and your concealer like you normally do, so that you have an even base for your skin, like covering every blemish and everything. Just spread it evenly in a very thin layer, I would like to say. Just make sure that it's an even base for a highlighter. Now, before going ahead with the actual highlighter, one important tip that you should take a highlighter that is like 2 to 3 shades lighter than your skin tone, and just take it and apply it on the higher points of your cheeks, the cheekbones that catch the most light. I will tell you which parts catch the most light. So this one, just apply 2 dots here. I'm taking this concealer, the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Concealer in shade Cashew 329. This is a very, very full coverage concealer, so we don't need more than like 2 dots there. Don't go overboard with it. Then 2 dots here. Then I'm going to apply a little on the nose, a little on the forehead, and then on my Cupid's bow. Cupid's bow is this curve on the top of your lips. So apply that. I also tend to take it over here. I'm going to take this concealer brush. So because I need to really focus on smaller areas, I'm not going to take a bigger brush. So let's start blending. So just focus on this area, like the cheekbone where you normally highlight. Take it on here, bring it towards your nose, like inside, bring it towards your nose like this, and then whatever is left on the brush, just take it on your under eye. Right? Okay. Do you see this now? Like, this is already highlighted. You can actually see that the emphasis on the cheekbone. Now compare it like with this side. This is highlighted, isn't it? Completely highlighted. Let's go ahead with this side now. Blend the same way, focusing on just this area, the cheekbone area, like this, starting from here to here. And remember, I'm not swiping it, I'm just doing it like dab, dab, dab in a stippling motion. Don't swipe it. That's done. Now let's go on the nose with very light hands. Do you see that? That's a prominent line, isn't it? Now on your Cupid bow, and I'm going to spread it. Try to spread it like across, like this, and then this. Spread it a little across, like whatever is left on the brush, just take it over here on the sides. It's all about blending it, making it look nicer so that it gives you an even base kind of. Okay, we don't have to cover the whole forehead, just this area, because this is like the T-bone, the T-zone. I mean the T-zone. It's just because I just saw somebody on a diet and they were like, we made a T-bone steak, so that's why. I'm so sorry. Anyways, oh my god, that's so embarrassing. The T-zone is all done. So do you see that nothing is extremely highlighted, nothing is extremely flashy, but everything is kind of looking good. Okay guys, so I am back after doing most of my makeup because it is about highlighting and I wanted to emphasize that and that take the like main stage. Anyway, so now comes the highlighting part. Like I've applied my blush, I have powdered my face, I've done everything. Now I need to apply a highlighter. Okay, so choosing a highlighter, that's the most important thing. This palette, Praline palette, has this highlighter which is literally like very white. Can you see this? You should not be opting for any highlighter like this. These highlighters are not for your skin tone because they will be like coming up as ashy, or they will be like too bright. They will not complement your skin, but rather they will like make it look like a bit ashy and not nice, trust me. So what colors you opt for is, one of them is this. I like this color, which is Bon Bon. This one, which is Bon Bon. This will really look good on you. This is like a bronzy, champagne-y kind of a color, which is so nice. Let me just apply it on my hand. See how nice it is? It's giving such a nice glow if you blend it even. So this is a nice shade. Then you can go with like these kind of colors. This is the MUA Makeup Academy Light Luster palette, a gold kind of a color. This is then like a little bronze, and this is again like a Bon Bon color. If you can see, the top one is gold, the center one is just like the Bon Bon color, like kind of a champagne-y color, and the bottom one is a bit bronze color. They all look so nice. Let me just do a little, you see that? They all look gorgeous on your skin. They will definitely complement your skin. So yes, this is a good one, which is the Sof X Revolution palette, Sugar Frosting. This color looks really good on brown skin, but this is a bit too like light for brown skin. So you get the point. Like you need to try to opt for colors which gold, bronze, copper, warm, champagne, these kind of colors that you should opt for. Like see these ones in Sof X Revolution palette. All these shades are very nice, very flattering. All of the top ones, they're all very flattering for brown skin. These two are nice as well. They're a bit coppery bronze, but this one, this goes like way too light for brown skin. So now another one of the important steps that you should do before applying a highlighter is applying a setting spray, which is like, I take this Makeup Revolution Base Fix Super Hold Fixing Spray. You can take any setting spray or any fixing spray that you like. So I'm just gonna spritz it on my face. We do this step before applying highlighter because highlighters, after applying a setting spray, highlighters go on your skin like better. Like they are not that powdery. Trust me, I've tried it. Before putting a like fixing spray, if you try to apply a highlighter, it will give more powdery look. So apply a setting spray, then apply highlighter, and then you can set your face once again. So now I'm going to take the Makeup Academy Light Luster palette, and I'm going to take this shade, the middle one. Now what to apply your highlighter with, there are a couple of options you can take. This is one of the options, which is a fan brush. You just apply it like this. There's another option which is this, like a kind of a fluffy brush, or you can go ahead with your fingers as well, but I don't think fingers don't blend it that nicely. But if you're going for a liquid highlighter, that's also an option. If you're going for a liquid highlighter, you can blend it very nicely with your fingers. You can go ahead with the sponge, like a beauty blender. You can just take that and apply highlighter with that as well. So for me, I prefer this brush. I used to apply it with this, like the fan brush, but not anymore. I think it's too like, it goes everywhere. So I like to apply it like really like precisely in a specific area, so that's why I don't apply it with a fan brush anymore. But you can go ahead with a fan brush, that's completely fine, no worries about that. So take this brush, and I'm going to take the highlighter on the brush nicely, like a lot of highlighter. Just dust the excess off, and then just focus it on your cheekbone. Now what I do is that I apply my highlighter really here. People like to apply it on their cheekbones, but to be very honest, I am blessed with cheeks. I have cheeks like this area, so why not highlight this area? As Charlotte Tilbury says, if I have cheeks, I'm going to highlight them. That's what I do. So I'm just gonna start with here. Just, you need to Apply it, don't dab 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 dab, just swirl it very lightly, very light hands. You don't need patches, so just do it like this on the first area, which is your cheekbones, because we don't want loads. Don't worry, I'm going to still fix it. If you think it's a lot, I'm still going to tell you how to fix it. Take more, do it on this side. I always smile while applying highlighter because I feel that it looks good. Put emphasis on my cheek, so why not? We are going to fix this still. Don't worry about it. Don't worry, okay? Take more on the brush. I have told you like where you need to highlight with a concealer. So with a highlighter, you need to highlight your cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, like this area, your cupid bow, your forehead if you want to. And then the most important part is underneath your, like your brow bone, underneath your brows. Just take a little on the brush and very lightly brush it underneath your brow bone. Underneath your brow, on the brow bone I mean. Both sides. Then take the same brush with a little highlighter, a little, not too much, and do the inner corner like this. What this does is this actually makes your, like this, blend a little. What this does is this actually brightens your eyes and makes it look like a little bit more open, wide kind of. So yeah, now take a little more on the brush and just very lightly dust it on the bridge. If you can't do it like precisely, take it on the finger, okay, and just do it on the bridge of the nose, like here. Don't do the whole line, just do it here. Okay, same, and do it on the tip of your nose. Not a lot, just like this. Can you see? It's a bit shiny, like this. Okay, now cupid bow, take it on the brush and just do it on the top of your lip like this, like this. Now, what does this do? This really makes your lips like pout, like stand out. The lipstick looks way better when you do it on your cupid bow. Trust me on this. Try this. Your lipstick will stand out. Like, it will look gorgeous. Now coming to the cheeks, because you must be thinking like, ooh, it looks like too prominent. So what I do is I take the brush with which I applied a blush and then I just go over the highlighter. No new product on it. I already applied blush with it. I'm not taking any more powder. Whatever is on the brush is going to blend it, okay? A little like this. Do you see the difference? Right? It got a bit softer. Now here, see? It made the whole difference. Now what I'm going to do is spray it one last time with a fixing spray. So guys, I am back after doing my whole makeup, and can you see how beautiful does the highlighter look? Like after applying a fixing spray, it actually merges everything together. Like the powdery feel of the highlighter, it's like everything is sparkly, shiny, and you know the highlighter that we applied before applying the highlighting powder, the lighter concealer that we applied here, it is actually really helping to put emphasis on our highlighter. And by doing the whole makeup like smoothly and everything, we don't see our highlighter like cracking anywhere, looking a bit more powdery and all that. So you see, it's a whole procedure. Everything that goes into applying a highlighter is not just like just putting it on there, but everything makes a difference. You see how nicely the one that I put on my lips, what a nice difference did it make. Like it makes the lips go a bit more prominent. Highlighter is important because it puts emphasis on your good parts, you can say. Applying highlighter on the bridge of the nose, what's the purpose of that? It makes really emphasis on this bone, like really making your nose a bit thinner, you can say, because now this is not prominent, but this bone is really prominent. This is what you focus on, kind of, this and this, so it really makes it look a bit thinner. Choose a highlighter that complements your skin tone, warmer skin tone, not a highlighter that will look very unnatural on your skin tone. Like it does not look like right now, I think it looks like a glow from within, doesn't it? But if you apply like a white highlighter, that will really look very unnatural. So yes, do think about it, like which highlighter suits you, which do you want to apply, a copper, a gold, a bronze, a warmer champagne kind of a color. They all will really suit you. So this is it for this episode, guys. Now if you want to check the other episodes, they're all in the description box below, and go to my playlist and search brown skin makeup, and all the episodes are already uploaded to that playlist. And yeah, this was it for this video then, guys, and I hope I really did brought something to the table. If you think I did, then please do give me a big thumbs up. Please do comment below, and as always, please do subscribe to my channel, because it really helps me out and it makes me know that you guys actually support me and watch my videos and everything. And thank you very much for your consistent support. So I will see you in the next video very, very soon. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay happy, and stay connected. Bye bye. Love you.